Here's a real quick little lesson on how you change the favorite icon. The favorite icon is up here, right next to the name on your tab. You can see that on these websites, the favorite icon is the little symbol for WordPress. However, on my site here, where I have my learn.ywam.life, I have the symbol of Youth with a Mission. So the way in which you deal with that is you want to go into the dashboard, go down to Appearance, I haven't clicked yet, and click on Customize. And here comes Customize. In this case we're doing Begin, and we wait for that to come up. It's just loading. The websites are a little bit slow at the moment because I haven't turned on the caching feature, and as we build out a website we won't be turning on caching until we're at a position where we're happy with what we've built. So here we are in the customizing of this website. We go to General Settings and we go to Identity, and now we want to put an icon in here. So I can click on the icons, and here are all the various pictures we have up in here. We want to look a bit more, it's a bit further down the list, and there's a bit further, a bit more, and there it is there, down near the bottom. So you could have a couple of different icons you might want to use. This is the one we're going to use. We can select it. It asks us if we want to crop. We're not going to worry about that. The size of the icon is about the size that they want, which is 512 pixels by 512 pixels. We would be cropping it into a square, and at this point it is a square, so we can skip cropping, and it's now put it down here, and we publish. And you'll notice that the icon has changed up here. It is no longer the WordPress icon, it is now the icon we want. If I hop out of here, we're back onto the dashboard, and if we refresh this page, you'll see now that the icons are changing from the WordPress icon through to the icon we want.